Alright, today we're going to talk about the basics of V-scripting of the message box. So you're going to start out with a notepad, text document, and you're going to start out with this basic command. Alright, so here you have your basic command, and you're going to save this as whatever dot VBS and save that. Alright, so here you go with your test, and double click that, you'll be able to see that we have our message box command, MSG box, and then what we have in that message box, which is the box text right here and box title right here. Alright, so what is this number? Well, this number is what type of message box it is. Is it an OK message box? Is it a yes or no box? Whatever type of message box it is. And I've written up this script right here to kind of sum it up. So as you can see, a 0 was just a normal message box with OK. If I wanted it to be a message box with yes, no, or cancel, then I would put 3 right here and save that. And as you can see, it's a normal box with yes, no, or cancel. So as you can see, there's other ones like critical. Let's put 18 down. And here you go, you have a critical message box with abort, retry, and ignore. Okay, so what's this x equals mean? X equals is what buttons you clicked. So did you click abort, retry, or ignore? Okay, well every time you click a button, it sends the computer a number command. So if I click abort, if I look over here at our code, abort equals 3. If I click retry, it'll send the command 4. Okay, so, and here's a way I can show you that. And I can use a different number for this too. Doesn't matter. And let's just say you clicked, add a space right here, make sure there's space, and click the and symbol and X, or whatever you put for this right here, and end it in parentheses. And what this does is it will tell me what button I clicked. So here we have our message box right here, and if I click abort, it says you clicked 3. Well, let's go over to our code and it says abort equals 3, so that's correct. And the same applies to ignore, you clicked 5, to all of these. Well, what's this for? Well, say we wanted to ask a question and we wanted different results when we clicked yes or no or whatever. So let's just ask, is it your birthday? Question mark. And just do, well, no, random question. Whatever you want the title to be. And then we want the message box to be a yes or no question box. So here we see question, and 36 is a yes or no box. So we're going to change this right here to 36. Click save, and this is what we end up getting. Here's our message box, and it says, is it your birthday? Question and yes or no. Okay, so we already knew. So if I clicked if x equals 6, or if x equals yes, we look over at our command here. If I click yes, then I want to display another message box that tells me happy birthday. Okay, so here we go, our message box. If I click no, nothing happens because I didn't tell it to. If I click yes, however, I get this message box that says happy birthday. And it just says okay. Now you can see here this is just a normal message box. I didn't just have it equal to anything. It's just MSB in parentheses and some kind of text. Okay, so what if I click no? Alright, well we know from our code that 7 equals no, as you can look over here. So if I click no, then send a message box that says oops, my bad. Alright, so let's try this out. So here we go. And if it says it's your birthday, click yes, and it will send happy birthday, and that's it. If we do click no, then it will send oops, my bad. Alright, so have fun with this. Explore, you can do a whole bunch of stuff with this, and like say, right here, this X can be changed to whatever you want. You can have a name right there. Just make sure there's no spaces, so don't do, you know, something like my name with a space. Okay, we can do this one birth, because we're talking about our birthday. Just make sure you change all the rest of your x's to this as well, because if you don't, you'll probably get an error or nothing will happen or something along those lines. So you can see it working just fine now. Alright, so have fun with that, and thanks for watching.